Horsetail is commonly known as Equisetum and Puzzle grass. In fact, it is the last member of this genus, and the rest of the species have gone extinct. The medicinal use of the horsetail goes back to Roman times, where hospitalists used it to heal wounds and treat kidney disorders. In fact, the herb has been widely used for its several health benefits. There are many ways to use horsetail. However, the best way to use it to infuse tea and supplement. From curing kidney ailments to bettering skin and hair conditions, horsetail offers a variety of benefits for users. Keep watching to learn ways to utilize the herb for your own. Number 1. It keeps kidneys healthy. Horsetails are considered diuretic, meaning it makes you pee. Using the herb helps in getting rid of many kidney disorders. For instance, ailments like UTI can be cured using horsetail. The herb helps you flush the bacteria out of the body by inducing more urine. Number 2. It helps in keeping bones healthy. Horsetail contains silica and many other minerals that assist in keeping the bones healthy. Silica binds and maintains healthy connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, bones, cartilage, and many more. Consuming horsetail supplements regularly can enhance bone-building minerals like calcium and offer relief from a number of structural diseases. Several studies have shown that horsetail promotes bone cells' direct growth, leading to the increased formation of bone tissues. Therefore, it is an extremely valuable herb in the treatment and prevention of rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, and osteoarthritis. Number 3. It keeps skin and hair healthy. Horsetail has been used by civilization over centuries. The biggest benefit of using this herb is for hair and skin. It helps build collagen in the user's skin, a key compound for fighting against premature skin aging. Moreover, the silica also helps keep the hair lustrous and shiny. According to the research article, silica derived from horsetail increased hair growth over 90 days of usage. The research also claims that regular usage of silica reduces hair fallouts in individuals. The best way to using horsetail is by adding it to the shampoo or taking it in supplement form. Number 4. It provides relief against inflammation. If you experience chronic inflammation and pain in different body parts, horsetail supplements and infused tea can help you big time. The herb contains many analgesic and anti-inflammatory compounds that quickly elevate all signs of inflammation in the body. Besides that, it also fights against cancer risk factors in the body. Research has shown that horsetail can inhibit lymphocytes, the main defense cells involved in inflammatory immune diseases. If you suffer from joint inflammation, take horsetail infused tea every day before bedtime and you'll notice much difference in your condition the next day. Number 5. It promotes cognitive abilities. Using horsetail regularly can enhance the user's cognitive ability. According to a study, horsetail can generate new neural connections in the brain. Besides that, it has high antioxidant compounds that fight against the brain's free radicals. Drink horsetail tea every day in the morning and you'll see much difference in your brain health within a few days of usage. The herb is specifically good for people suffering from Alzheimer's disease. Number 6. It cures respiratory issues. If you're suffering from frequent colds and congestion, using horsetail daily can be fruitful. The herb has been used for years to cure respiratory illness. The horsetail infused tea functions as an expectorant that clears out the mucus built up. After 3 to 4 days of usage, you'll have open sinuses and a much healthier breathing pattern.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.